What's up?
So my mom's gonna cook us dinner tonight.
Oh,
That's right. This hot mama's whipping up a hot dish.
you don't have to cook, Marjorie. I was gonna order his food from Burgers, and Burgers.
I know you'd much rather grab a handful of my green beans, but it's just not gonna work between us.
No, I'm not. What does that even mean?
Sweetie, your boyfriend said he wants to come over here and flip my omelet.
Babe, stop flirting with my mother.
No, I didn't. I didn't. I don't even know what that means.
Don't worry, I'm fixing you a special dish.
What special dish?
It's a delicious recipe that I passed down to my daughter.
Oh God! Don't tell me it's
Chicken foot, corn, and frog ass.